Open the printer front cover. Turn on the lighting. Make sure there are no debris on the printing platform. Check the power plug. Turn on the main power. Turn on the emergency switch. Make sure there is enough ink in the ink tank. Pull out the fixing pin. Remove the air expansion shaft. Exhaust the gas in the air expansion shaft. Install the DTF film into the air expansion shaft. Put the air expansion shaft back to its original position. Pull down the fixing pin. Move the roller to the position of scale line 8. Inflate the air expansion shaft. The expanding key expands outward. Secure the roll on the shaft firmly. Turn on the power switch for the paper feeding system. Lift the pinch roller. The film is under the paper tension rod. And passes through the pinch roller to the suction platform. Put down the pinch roller. Pick up the film. Lift the pinch roller. Pull out the film. Put down the pinch roller. Move the platen sheet to press the edge of the film. Press 1/3 to 1/2. Install roller on the take-up reel to recycle film. Import images into RIP software for processing. Turn on the powder shaker. Set parameters. Turn on heating and feeding. Check the connection status between the laptop and the printer. Green sign indicates normal connection. Print head cleaning. Print head cleaning completed. Test strip printing. The lines on the test strip are complete and clear with no disconnection. The lines are broken or missing. Import print files into printing software. Printing starts. When heating is complete, close feed. Turn on the fan. Manually pull the film to smoothly enter the powder shaker. Pull the film to the suction platform to make it sucked. Pour powder. Switch to automatic mode. Recycle film. Printing completed. Switch to link mode. Moving film. Cutting film. Manually pull the film to smoothly enter the powder shaker. Switch to manual mode. After 10 minutes of no load, turn off the powder shaker. Turn on the power switch and hydraulic switch. Set the temperature to 130 to 150 degrees Celsius and the time to 8 to 15 seconds. Prepare a t-shirt. Lay the t-shirt flatly on the silicone plate. Place the printed DTF film. Start pressing. Automatically lift after 15 seconds. Peel off the film.